my God! A giant dinosaur!
That morning, as usual, Tom's family was sitting down to have breakfast.
Look, family! My company gave me 4 free tickets to the Dinosaur Museum.
Yay! I love dinosaurs! This is gonna be so cool!
Now let's have breakfast, and then we'll get ready to leave, kids.
Yes, Mom!
Wow! Look at that giant T-Rex skeleton! It is beautiful!
Anna, stand there so Daddy can take your picture.
That's right, my dear. You're so beautiful.
Dad, look! This dinosaur also had horns.
Wow! That dark room looks interesting! I want to see it now!
Tom is too excited. He forgets his mother's rule.
Wow! It is full of old rocks and statues here. Oh no! What's wrong? The lights are off! Mom? Dad? Anna? Where are you? Oh, a flashlight! Lucky me! Okay, let's find the way out.
What is that monster on the wall?
Help! A dinosaur is alive! Wait, let me see again. What? It is just a statue. That startled me. I need to find my way out. I hope I'm going the right way. There it is! The exit is over there! Whew! I am out. But where is everyone? Mom! Dad! Anna! Where are you? Don't panic. Look for a museum worker.
Oh, dear. My keys. Ouch! My hand is stuck. I can't pull it out.
What is that old woman doing over there? Oh no! She's stuck! Don't worry, ma'am. I am here to help. This cabinet is too heavy for me. I'll find someone to help you wait for me, Grandma. Excuse me. Everyone, please help. This Grandma's hand is stuck. We need to tilt the cabinet.
Okay, kid. Tell us what to do.
Please, everyone, push this side together.
My hand is free. Thank you so much.
Here are your keys, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Is everyone okay? What happened?
This smart boy saved me. He is a hero.
Thank you, sir. But I can't find my family.
Don't worry. Let's go to the information desk. Tom's parents are waiting at the desk.
We found the boy. Please wait a moment.
Mom. Dad. I am here.
Oh, Tom. We were looking everywhere for you.
Your son is a hero today. He helped an old woman.
I'm so proud of you, Tom. But next time, always stay close to your parents in crowded places.
Yes, Dad.
Today was an interesting field trip, and Tom learned a great lesson.
Remember, always go with your family when in crowded places to avoid getting lost. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.